Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to request a credit line increase on your Discover card. Having a higher credit limit can provide you with more financial flexibility and improve your credit utilization ratio. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Log into your Discover account. Start by visiting the Discover website or opening the Discover mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to the Credit Line Increase section. Once logged in, look for the Services or Account Services menu. This is typically found in the main navigation bar of your account dashboard. Click on it and locate the option for Credit Line Increase. Step 3. Review your eligibility. Before submitting your request, Discover may provide information about your eligibility for a credit line increase. This may include factors such as your payment history, credit score, and how long you've had your account. Make sure to review this information carefully. Step 4. Provide required information. When you're ready to request the increase, click on the option to submit your request. You may need to provide additional information such as your annual income, employment status, and monthly housing payment. Be honest and accurate, as this information will be used to evaluate your request. Step 5. Submit your request. After filling out the necessary information, review everything to ensure accuracy. Once you are satisfied, submit your request for a credit line increase. Step 6. Wait for a decision. After submitting your request, Discover will review your application. You may receive an instant decision, or it may take a few days. Keep an eye on your email or account notifications for updates on your request status. Step 7. Understand the outcome. If your request is approved, congratulations. Your new credit limit will be updated on your account. If denied, don't be discouraged. Discover usually provides a reason for the denial, which can guide you on what to improve for future requests. Remember, requesting a credit line increase can impact your credit score, as it may involve a hard inquiry. Be sure to make requests judiciously based on your financial situation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more financial tips and advice.